This is number 1, just one to see. Tony reads it happily. On the board the number shines, learning numbers is so fine. This is number 2, 1, 2. Tony reads it, yes it's true. On the board it's big and bright. Counting makes us feel delight. This is number 3, 1, 2, 3. Tony smiles so happily. On the board the numbers clear. Learning numbers give a cheer. This number 4, 4. Count once more. Tony reads it from the board for all to see. Learning numbers joyfully. This is number 5, say it loud. Tony reads it feeling proud. On the board it shines alive. Learning numbers 1, 2, 5. This is number 6, smooth and neat. Tony reads it from his seat. On the board the number sticks. Counting fun with number 6. This is number 7, look and see. Tony reads it happily. On the board the number sticks. Counting fun with number 6. This is 7, look and see. Tony reads it happily. On the board so big and bright. Learning numbers feels just right. This is number 8, say it straight. Tony reads it, isn't it great? On the board the numbers shown. Counting numbers on our own. This is number 9, almost there. Tony reads it with great care. On the board the numbers true. Counting fun for me and you. This is number 10, shout hooray. Tony reads it right away. On the board the number 10. Let's count again and again. 13. This is number 11, look and see. Tony reads it happily. On the board it's big and bright. Learning numbers feels just right. This is number 12 today. Tony reads it right away. On the board it's clear and new. Counting fun for me and you. This is number 13, count with me. Tony reads it happily. On the board the numbers seen. Learning numbers feel so keen. This is number 14, bright. Tony reads it with delight. On the board it shines so clean. Counting numbers is routine. This is number 15 now. Tony reads it, take a bow. On the board it's clear and alive. Counting numbers up to 15. This is number 16, neat. Tony reads it from his seat. On the board the number sticks. Counting fun with number 16. This is number 17. Tony reads it nice and keen. On the board it's big and bright. Learning numbers feels just right. This is number 18, great. Tony reads it, isn't it great? On the board the numbers seen. Counting fun with 18. This is number 19, fine. Tony reads it line by line. On the board it's clear to see. Counting fun for you and me. This is number 20, hooray! Tony reads it right away. On the board the number shines. Let's count again from 1 to 9. This is number 21, look and see. Tony reads it happily with glee. On the board it shines so bright. Counting numbers feels just right. This is number 22 today. Tony reads it in a fun way. On the board the number shows. Learning numbers as he goes. This is number 23. Tony reads it joyfully. On the board it's clear and neat. Counting numbers is so sweet. This is number 24. Tony reads it wanting more. On the board it's big and bright. Learning numbers feels just right. This is number 25. 5. Tony reads it feeling alive. On the board it's clear to see, counting numbers happily. This is number 26. Tony reads it doing tricks. On the board the number sticks. Learning numbers is such fun fix. This is number 27. Tony reads it reaching heaven. On the board it's big and clear, counting numbers brings us cheer. This is number 28. Tony reads it feeling great. On the board it brightly shows, counting numbers as he goes. This is number 29. Tony reads it feeling fine. On the board it shines so bright. Learning numbers is pure delight. This is number 30. Hooray! Tony reads it right away. On the board the number shines. Let's count it.